Alright, so I'm on my way to grab my dent side. Just gonna pick it up, take it over to a homie's house. It's gonna be there for a while, hopefully. Get some work done. It's been sitting for a couple months. So the battery's for sure gonna be dead. Yeah. Okay, so I got the jumper cables on it at the moment. See if it starts. It's been a minute, so who knows? I got no voltage, nothing, which is gay. We'll see if I can fix that. Got some voltage back. Let's see if this thing will start. It's obviously been a while, so probably not, but yeah, nothing. Gotta give it a minute, but I'll give you guys a quick walk around. At the moment, it's just a rust bucket. I replaced the floor pans in this thing years ago and didn't do the greatest job, but it's all right. You know, tons of rust on this thing. No tailgate, but I got a parts truck that I plan on tearing apart to swap parts onto this. It's just a 1976 Ranger XLT, but badges are missing. Currently have 35s with some 15s. That's about it. Wiring super rough on this from previous owners. Still a cool truck though. I think I've had it 7 years now and haven't done much with it. It's been sitting here for 2 years or so. I mean, you can see all the bugs, and this summer there's tons of wasps. I never found the nest or anything in here, but it's definitely needs some work. I've been able to get it to crank a few times. My main issue right now is not getting no fuel to the carburetor, but it's finally starting to pump back through the filter. So a couple more attempts and I think she'll start. Let's see. Yeah, it wants to start, but there's no fuel getting into the carb, so just wait for that to happen. She'll start right up. All right, let's give it another attempt. And she's running. Still not very happy, but I don't think she'll idle quite yet. Let's figure it out. Oh yeah, there she goes. All right, she's idling. There we go. So I got it running. I guess I'll give you a walk around since I don't have the 12 valve making all that noise now. Currently it has a 360 in it. It was resealed, not really rebuilt. 2019, 2020 maybe? Right when COVID started was when got it finished up. Super low budget because I was still in high school. Definitely needs some work. Lots of wires running everywhere. Previous owners very much like to cut and just leave shit hanging. There's plenty of that. So definitely needs a lot of work. Hit some things in it before. Yeah, we'll give it a second to warm up and take it down to the shop. Currently got the truck in the shop. I'm gonna clean out the bed because I think that's gonna be the first thing to come off. I'm gonna take it off, clean the frame up, probably paint it. Got the box out. Got a bunch of shit in there to throw away. But it's a mess back here. You can see most of the front of this thing is just rusted through completely. You can see there, all that's rusted through. You can definitely tell it had a lot of water sitting back there for a while before I bought it, because it was like that years ago. But yeah, I'm gonna clean that up for now. And yeah, we'll figure it out. So this is underneath the truck. You can really see why it needs to be, the bed needs to be replaced, because that whole support piece along the front of the bed is just completely rusted, gone. It's pretty rough, but I don't know if you can see me, but we'll go with it. This shit's fucking on there. I got this one loose already, but it's only number 1 out of, I think, 8. I should probably just cut these bitches out. Oy. Okay, so I just got the last of the 8 bed bolts off of here, or loose. I just gotta feed all the wiring out of the bed, and then I should be able to just lift it off. Yeah, it's a new day if you can't tell. It's like 5 days later. But yeah, we'll hopefully get that done today. Get that lifted off of here and see what's next. Okay, I got all the wiring for the lights removed. You can see that shit's ugly. But I got the filler neck, which should be pretty easy. I'll have this little flange to loosen, but so I just got a couple more things to clip. Make sure none of this shit is holding on. Good. Let's see this one. All right, I think we got everything loosened, and I think the bed's ready to come off, so. So We just got the bed lifted off the truck. I can't get it to start because I actually broke the ground cable to the battery. So, come on. That was a pain. But I accidentally broke the ground cable. Just trying to keep it tight, but obviously I went a little too tight. So before I can pull this truck out, I think I'm gonna put it somewhere right here, out of the way of the lift. Just have a little bit more room to work on it. I need to replace that ground cable. So that's the plan. Probably call it a day, or at least a video on this. Next video we'll get this replaced, just to pull it over there and see what it looks like from there. But yeah, thanks to anyone who watched. It's my first video, so it's probably pretty rough, but maybe I'll keep it going and see what happens. Thank you guys. Bye.